tech view. Sorry for not releasing videos, but I'll try to my best to release as much as video as possible. And yeah, today we'll be talking about how to use Facebook views and also how to actually get views and all this stuff. Officially, I no views at all, but you can see here I'm trying to establish views, including promote one channel from here. So if you can pay for it, boost channel is one of the fastest way you can actually get likes and subscribers. So basically people view this one. So basically that's myself for sure. And yeah, send button there. Use contact. So yeah, we can go down, see why we compare that to whatever it is. And also we can make our own posters. Like you can run your post and here. Making this post is also the fastest way to get points. And another way is that you can use other social media platform and promote your channels. And you can use a lot of hashtags and all this stuff. If you want to edit your page, you can just go down and edit your page access and development and carry out a lot of development with this stuff. Thanks for watching. Anyways, take the peace, like, subscribe, comment, share. Have a nice day.